How to enroll in Regions Bank Investment Service online. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you want to start investing, well, here is how to enroll in Regions Bank Investment Service online. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open any web browser and now here once inside, you can just click on the search bar and simply search for Regions Bank. And now here on the search result, just click on the first link and after that you'll be prompted to the official website of the Regions Bank. Now here simply log in using your credentials and once logged in on the home page you can simply navigate to investment and wealth management or investment services and there you can simply click enroll now and select the type of account you want such as retirement, brokerage or advisory. So there you can fill in your personal info, financial details and investment goals and then click submit any required documents, and with that you simply have to review the terms, agreements and disclosures carefully before finalizing your enrollment. And with that, Regions Bank advisor may contact you to verify your information and help you to get started. And with that, just a pro tip is you should keep your ID and financial documents handy for a smoother process. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.